Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gear. Today, we're diving into the world of CPU cooling with the ID Cooling FROZN A720. Now, if you're like me and you want top-notch performance without breaking the bank, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. Alright, so what's the deal with the ID Cooling FROZN A720? Well, let me tell you, this thing is a beast when it comes to keeping your CPU cool. It's got chart-topping thermal performance, which means your CPU will stay frosty even under heavy loads. And the best part? It won't cost you an arm and a leg. With a price tag of just $69.99, it's a steal for what you're getting. Now, let's talk specs. The FROZN A720 features a dual-tower heatsink with 6 copper heat pipes, coated black for that sleek look. It's compatible with both Intel and AMD sockets, so no matter what CPU you're rocking, this cooler has you covered. Plus, it comes with 2 fans included, 140mm ones, to be exact, so you know you're getting maximum airflow. Installation is a breeze, too. ID Cooling provides everything you need in the box, including mounting hardware for modern AMD and Intel platforms, thermal paste, and even a long screwdriver for those hard-to-reach places. Trust me, even if you've never installed an aftermarket cooler before, you'll have no trouble getting this one up and running. But enough about specs and installation, let's talk performance. In our testing, the FROZN A720 kept Intel's i7-13700K from throttling even under the most demanding workloads. And with noise levels kept in check, thanks to those anti-vibration pads on the fans, you won't have to worry about your PC sounding like a jet engine taking off. So, what's the verdict? Well, if you're in the market for a high-performance air cooler that won't break the bank, look no further than the ID Cooling FROZN A720. With its top-notch thermal performance, easy installation, and wallet-friendly price tag, it's a no-brainer for anyone looking to keep their CPU cool under pressure. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.